Welcome, viewers. Today's topic is on comparison of adjectives. Adjective is a qualifying word. Adjective qualifies a noun and a pronoun. Compare, verb word, তুলনা করা. Here, comparison, it's a noun word. তুলনা, comparative, তুলনামূলক, adjective word. To show comparison, there are three forms of adjectives, such as positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. Positive degree বিশেষণের simplest form, সাধারণ গঠন. When it shows no comparison, যখন এটা তুলনা shows করে না, প্রদর্শন করে না, it describes only the simple quality of a person, thing, or group, etc. Then এটি কোনো ব্যক্তি, কোনো জিনিস, বস্তু বা দলের গুণের সাধারণ গুণ ডেসক্রাইব করে, বর্ণনা করে. As for example, Habib is a tall boy. What kind of boy Habib is? Habib is a tall boy. Habib একটি লম্বা ছেলে. Habib একটি লম্বা বালক. Okay? কেমন ছেলে? Tall, লম্বা. Here, tall is an adjective word. Qualifies the noun word boy. Comparative degree shows comparison, usually between two persons or things. Comparative degree সাধারণত দু ব্যক্তি এবং বস্তুর মধ্যে তুলনা করা বোঝায়, তুলনা প্রদর্শন করে. As for example, Habib is taller than his brother. Habib তার ভাইয়ের চেয়ে অপেক্ষাকৃত লম্বা. Okay? Tall, taller. It's a comparative form. Er after one syllabic adjective word form positive degree to comparative degree. Positive degree থেকে simple form থেকে tall, taller, comparative form after one syllabic word er, usually er suffix সংযুক্ত করতে হয়. And comparative degree then, compare, conjunction word compare করার জন্য then বসে. The comparative degree is generally formed by adding er after one syllabic word. Superlative degree shows three or more entities. Superlative degree তিন এবং তার অধিক ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুকে কম্পেয়ার করতে বুঝায়. That is, it exceeds all and compares among many in quality, quantity, or intensity. The superlative is generally formed by adding est after one syllabic adjective word, that is, short adjectives. One syllabic adjective words, okay? Base form of adjective, positive degree of adjective, tall, base form of adjective, tall, থেকে taller, comparative form, ear, taller, ear suffix here. The superlative is the tallest, est. Okay? After base form of adjective এর পরে est সংযুক্ত করতে হয়, est suffix. Okay? Habib is the tallest boy in the family. Habib পরিবারের সবচেয়ে লম্বা ছেলে. Or অন্যভাবে হতে পারে, Habib is the tallest of the three brothers. Before superlative degree, the article have to put. Superlative degree আগে the article হয়. Another form, Habib is more intelligent than his brother. Habib তার ভাইয়ের চেয়ে অপেক্ষাকৃত অধিক বুদ্ধিমান. Okay? More, much, many. Positive degree, comparative degree, more. The superlative degree, the most. Habib is more intelligent than his brother. Habib তার ভাইয়ের চেয়ে অধিক বুদ্ধিমান. Okay? Before two or more syllabic words, 2 এবং তার অধিক syllabic words, adjective syllabic words এর আগে more, superlative form এর আগে most. Okay? Superlative form. Habib is the most intelligent boy in the family. হাবিব পরিবারের সবচেয়ে অধিক বুদ্ধিমান ছেলে। ডিগ্রিজ অফ অ্যাডজেক্টিভস, অর্থাৎ অ্যাডজেক্টিভের তুলনাকে ডিগ্রি বলে। ডিগ্রি অর্থ মাত্রা। গ্রেট, ওয়ান সিলেবিক ওয়ার্ড, গ্রেট, পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি, গ্রেটার, ইআর সাফিক্স, গ্রেটার, কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম, গ্রেটেস্ট, ইএসটি, গ্রেটেস্ট, সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রি। নবল, নবলার, noblest. Happy, happier. Instead of Y, have to put I. Happy, happier, comparative degree. Happiest, superlative degree. Dutiful, more dutiful, or the most dutiful. Okay, dutiful, 3 syllabic words, adjective words. Okay, and before 2 and more syllabic adjective syllabic words have to put more in comparative form, and superlative form most. Okay, syllable. What is syllable? A syllable is a part of a word that has its own vowel sound. Syllable অর্থ শব্দাংশ, অর্থাৎ একটি শব্দের সেই ক্ষুদ্রতম অংশ যা একবার উচ্চারণ করা সম্ভব। ওকে, when positive degree is compared in a simple form as transformation of sentences, no other boy in the class is as tall as Habib. No other boy. And then no other boy, singular noun. No other plus singular noun in the class extension, বাক্যের বর্ধিত অংশ, follows no other boy. Boy here follows finite verb or be verb, singular finite verb or be verb, is as adjective as plus subject. Comparative form, Habib is taller than any other boy in the class. Habib শ্রেণীর অন্য যে কোনো বালকের চেয়ে বেশি লম্বা। Habib is taller than any other boy. Okay, when positive degree is no other boy, then comparative degree is then taller than any other boy. Okay, or সেন্টেন্সটি হতে পারে Habib is taller than all other boys in the class. Positive and superlative degree, Habib is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, Habib শ্রেণীর সবার চেয়ে লম্বা ছেলে। Tall, taller, tallest. Superlative degree, before superlative degree, the article have to put. Or বাক্যটি another way হতে পারে Habib is the tallest of all boys in the class. When the positive degree will be very few, and then subject will be plural, very few students in the class here extension follows plural finite verb or be verb. Very few students in the class are as brilliant as Habib. And then comparative degree will be 2 and more syllabic words. Habib is more brilliant than most other students in the class. Okay, most other, and then plural noun. And superlative degree will be Habib is one of the most brilliant students in the class. Okay, one of the most brilliant, and then students, it's a plural noun in the class. Here, degrees of comparison have been designed and written as transformation of sentences for practice. Thanks a lot for your patient hearing.